Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I rigged up this long jumbo braid style ponytail. So if you're interested, girl, keep watching. So we're gonna jump right on in. Now I've been wanting to do this video for some time. I just didn't really know how to attack it. I get the concept, but ooh, I was just a little afraid of trying to attach the hair and braid it for you on camera and braid it blindly without even being able to see what I'm doing. So that just kind of freaked me out. So I never tried the style until today. I just saw a technique that looks super duper easy, and of course y'all know I'm going to put my spin on it, and I think this is going to work out. So we're going to do this right here together. Attempting this. I already got my hair in a ponytail. Alright, I've put my gel, blow dried a bit with my cool new blow dryer that I'm in love with. The direct link to it will be down below. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of figure out where I need this to be, because I'm not going to connect the hair like everybody else does, because I want my braid to look really, really nice and neat. So if your hair is a bit lengthy like mine, let's go ahead and ball it up as tight and as small as we can. Normally when I do this, my hair needs to be wet when I ball it up tight. So I'm going to go ahead and put my twisty tie around it to make sure it stays in place, and then we're going to go ahead and start with the braiding hair. So this is going to be fast and simple, guys, because we're going to braid the hair before we attach hair right here. I got the huge pack. I picked this up locally at my local beauty supply store. I wanted to get a lot just in case I messed this up, but it kind of looks foolproof. I don't think I can mess this up, but we're gonna see. I don't know. I probably can. I shouldn't say that. I probably can. So I'm going to, I want the braid to be of thickness though, but I don't want it to be super thick. So I'm going to use maybe 2 of these bundles, because you got 4 in here. I'm going to use 2. We're going to use 2 of them. How does that sound? Sounds good? Yeah. We're going to use 2. Make sure our braid is nice and thick and cute. We don't want a scrawny one. We don't want it to look like a damn one little crochet braid or something hanging down. We want it to look nice. So I'm going to combine these 2 in a way, but then when you plait it up, it might take some of the length from it. But I also don't want it super long. But if you want it super long, all you have to do is kind of stretch the hair, just pull it and, you know, adjust it. But again, this is the hair. It's by the Queen Bee brand. I never really heard of them until just browsing the beauty supply store yesterday. But yeah, I got it in the color number 2. Y'all know I love the color number 2. Number 2 is just my jam. It's just easier for me, and it's work compliant. I can't really wear fruity colors to work, okay? It's not that I don't like them. It's just that it'll be a pain trying to switch up my hairstyles all the time just to comply with my job. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. So we're going to go ahead and make a braid. But let me figure out how I want to combine it, because this is a lot of hair. I don't really want a lot, but I need a lot though to kind of camouflage my little humpy hump that we got going on. You know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm going to do. Alright, I'm going to combine the hair together. Combine it together in a way that, take off one of these. I'm gonna leave the rubber band on one bundle of the hair, okay, because it's gonna make this a little easier for us. And then I'm just gonna bring it back around and tuck this under because we're going to use a more sturdier one too, but I'm just using this right now just to help me keep things organized. Okay, see what we just did? I just attached them using the one rubber band. This is all the hair right here. Now I'm going to pick something. I'm probably going to use one of these lights on this vanity. I'm just going to be a little hood. That's what I want to do. I'm just going to pull this around the light just like this, and then I'm going to start my braid. I think this is long enough. I don't really want it super long, but I want it long enough to be, you know, cute. But I'm going to leave some out. I'm thinking ahead because I'm going to leave this piece for my pre-wrap or my after wrap, because we're not really doing a pre-wrap, as you see. So I'm going to leave this piece aside. You can put this in a clip. Do I have a clip or something around? A clippy clip. Oh, here's a clip. Here's a clip. Here's a clip. Just so I don't intertwine this hair with the braid. I'm just going to clip it, leave it around the light. I probably should go ahead, before I start the braiding process, put a more sturdier hair tie around it, because it's going to be hard to add the hair tie, I do believe, once I have the braid going. So let me grab one. Attach this just like we have the rubber band around it. Same exact way. Just loop it under there like this. Just loop it. Alright. And this is also how we're going to attach this to our hair. Alright, we got to use something sturdy. So girl, I don't know how this is going to work, but I've seen it done. But honey, the lady I watched do this, her method was a little different. But you know, I have to do things a little different as it pertains to my hair, because my hair is a little longer. So now, whoa, you might want to use something other than a light. We're going to get this done. I'm struggling over here, but now we're ready to start our braid. Move all my stuff out of the way. Now this piece that we have sectioned off, get that out of the way. I'm going to tuck this behind the mirror. Girl, I'm just all kinds of everywhere. So now we're ready to start our braid. Like I said, this is my first time attempting this. Maybe you're looking at my method and maybe you've already discovered a better way to do this, because I'm pretty sure there is a better way. I'm just, you know, eager to wear this style. I'm just so excited for this. This is just how I'm going to do it, okay? Now we're going to start the plait. OMGG. See, mine won't even stay attached. It's cool right now. We're looking kind of good here. We're looking kind of good. Okay. We got a nice little plait going. You want to keep the hairs nice and together. So this is what the braid looks like now that I'm done with it. To secure the ends, I'm going to go ahead and just dip the ends into a cup of boiling hot water just to seal them. Make sure it doesn't come loose on me. But yeah, this is how the braid looks. How did I do? I think it looks cute for my first time. But I'm also going to spray it with Got To Be once I've dipped it to make sure it stays in place. And I'm going through and cut any flyaways that might be visible. But for the most part, there aren't any. And I feel like it looks really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and dip the ends here. Alright, now we're going to take it up front and dip it. Alright, so the water is now ready. I'm just going to open it. Ooh, it's super hot. And I'm just going to dip it right down in there, girl. I'm just going to dip it in. I was going to pour it in a bowl, but I ain't got time for all that. I'm just going to dip it in, girl. Dip it. Alright, that should seal the ends. I probably shouldn't have went up so high, but that's just what it is. Now I'm going to grab a towel, let it dry a bit, and then we're going to be ready to install this. Didn't want to go through and cut off any like flyaways from it. And didn't have many. This hair was actually really good as far as the length goes. So not many flyaways, which is nice. Really, really nice. I love that. Want to make it look as perfect as we possibly can. Though it probably won't be super perfect, but we can make it become as close to perfect as we can. Okay, we can try. Alright, but meanwhile, I think it looks good. We're ready to install it. Now we're ready to try to attach this. OMG, I have my hair tightly knotted into like a ballerina knot. I had to wet it to get it down this small. I think I have the method now to attach this to my ponytail in the way that it looks neat, because we want this to look as neat as possible. That's the main goal, is to have our plait looking nice. Okay, so as I assess this, looks like I'm gonna have to go in this way. I wonder if I just, now we're gonna attach it as though we're putting our hair in a ponytail with the elastic band. And you still want to be careful while you do this, because you could still fray the braid. We don't want to have it frayed. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. We're getting there. Okay, so here I want to use hairpins. I was trying to get away from using so much stuff, but I'm going to have to use a hairpin. A hairpin is going to have to be used here. Now this will work well if your hair is a little shorter. You won't have to go through so much to attach your braid. Okay, but we're getting there, girl. We're getting there. We're almost there. Just to start, I'm only attaching 2 pins. Okay. There we go. We got it down, girl. We're almost there. We're almost there. And now we're going to take our wrap and wrap it around to conceal. And then we won't see my bunny bun underneath. We won't see it. So I'm going to go ahead and start wrapping it around. Making sure I'm wrapping it in a wide way so that it is camouflaging completely. Girl, here it is. We have it attached and it looks so cute. I'm absolutely loving this braid. It came out really, really cuter than I thought it would. Let me know down below in the comments if you're going to be trying this method. Super duper cute. And too, if you get tired of wearing it down, you can wrap it and put it into a cute bun. Oh, we just made a super cute bun style. So cute. But yeah, girl, that is it for me. Make sure you let me know down below in the comment section if you're going to be trying this method. Let me know if you even like these jumbo braid ponytails. They are just so cute, simple, and chic. I absolutely love it. So pretty. Girl, I'm going to go ahead and get my day started, but make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in the next video, and there will definitely be another video. Bye.